I'm Judith Smith with Atlanta Basement Design, and today is Wednesday, April 4th, or April 3rd, and we did a video yesterday, but I left out a couple of key points, and those are that we have a contract. When I was renovating my house in Roswell, the house had extensive rotted wood, water-damaged wood, and was sinking. And whoever did the basement before I got there had not used an engineer to put in support beams, and the support beams were insufficient to support the load, so the house was sinking and had to be jacked up 7 inches at the chimney and 5 inches on the left side. The 5-star rated pros that I was getting estimates from all had contracts that were less than a page. And I thought, I've been in this business for 24 years, so I knew that that was an opening for change orders, because whatever you say, whenever you say, well, this should have been this way, oh, that wasn't included, this is a change order, because the contracts were so vague. With our contracts, this is our contract. It has pictures and text and is about 15 to 20 pages long, and is exactly what we're supposed to do. And so I want to ask Juanita, with the plans that we had ahead of time, were those the plans that were executed when they came in and did the framing and electrical and plumbing and HVAC?
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, not only was the plans implemented, but it was down to the penny, followed everything that was in his contract, all the pictures that was taken. Each contractor was able to show me exactly what areas they would be fulfilling, and how the pictures and the studs and the procurement and the materials and everything that was in this paper was documented, and the contractors was able to show it and fulfill it.
Yes, and when I was doing my 8x10 deck that cost me $8,100 with a concrete walkway, the contractor, 5-star rated pro with 20 plus 5-star reviews on Home Advisor, said to me, the last step is further than we thought it was going to be. It's going to be an additional $480 in concrete. And I thought, who did the estimate? What's the purpose of an estimate? What's the purpose of a contract if all of a sudden you're on the job and you have these upcharges? So we want to, have you had any upcharges on any of the work that we've done? No, because we do the work on the front end to make sure there are no changes. And then we just want to reiterate that when we did the basement, only about 50% of all basements have the venting necessary for a washer-dryer. So we didn't know until we knew that when the plumber came out to do the plumbing, he was going to assess whether or not he could do the washer-dryer. I know that my guys will never embarrass me. I was not afraid to let him give me an estimate for what the washer-dryer would cost to plumb after we started the job. He charged $750 to do the full plumbing for a washer-dryer. And now, after we started, Juanita had said, okay, she would like a bar in the game room. And we are able to build a bar for her, an 8-foot bar with beadboard. The body of the bar is going to cost $900, and we estimate the granite on top of the bar is going to cost $528. So are you pleased with that price?
Very pleased.
Yes, I thought you would be. Okay. I did a job a long time ago before COVID where the people complained every day about the dust, the noise, the number of trucks in the street, how long it was taking, the dumpster in the driveway. They did nothing but complain. Constantly complained. Never had a positive word to say about anything. We had the job done in 5 weeks. They complained it took too long. On the last day of the job, I said, I'm sorry you were so unhappy with the process. They said, we're not unhappy. Everyone you sent over here was excellent. Those people referred me to 7. He worked in hospitals. 7 finished basements. There was an 1,100 square foot basement, nothing special happening in it at all, but they were treated very well on the job, And that's the point of what we do. You know, there's no point to gouging someone when they want a bar or when they want a washer dryer. That's just going to build ill will. We build goodwill with the clients and get them things affordably. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.